guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. So in this video we are going to be looking at how to optimize your blog or your content for SEO. So it's going to be a step-by-step guide how you can be able to optimize your content for SEO. So we are going to be taking 4 steps in this journey or in this video. So it's going to be a 4 steps guide how to rank #1 on Google in 2025. So if you're looking for how to rank #1 on Google, this video is going to help you. So all we are going to do now, let's go to the step 1 of it. Let's just open this to see what we are going to do for the step 1 in this video. So the step 1 says find a keyword to rank for using keyword tool. So we are going to be using a keyword tool called ask the public. Okay, so this is the keywords we are going to be using in this video. So it's going to be the keywords we are going to get. So all we need to do now, let's go to our browser. Once we get to the browser, all we need to do is just search for keyword to answer the public, thepublic.com. Okay, so it will take you to this interface. Once you are here, all you need to do, you can change the location maybe to United States. Then you search. Let's say for instance now we want to know how to rank on okay, let's use how to make money online. Everybody wants to make money online. How to make money online. This will be, let's find whether this keyword is being searched by people. Let's know whether we have to do this keyword. Okay. Okay, so as you can see right now, we have been able to search this keyword right now, and from our search, you can see that the search volume per month is 100,000, 110,000. This is the search volume. That means the number of people that search for this keyword per month are 110,000 people. So, and the cost per click is $3.43. So all we are going to do now, we just have to take this keyword and write a content regarding to it in order for us to rank on Google. So all we are going to do now, let me just take this content right now. Let me take this content. Though we are going to the next website, which will help us to write this content. So the link of this website will be at the description box below. So all you need to do, click the first link, you get access to this website. Okay, so create a content with the keyword. So we're going to create a content right now with this particular keyword. So let's just do it right now. So the website, once you come to the website, so once you click the first link below this video, it will just tell you to sign up. After signing up, it will take you to this interface or this place that you are seeing right now. So all you need to click is click on AI blog writer. Click on AI blog writer. It should just take you to this place now. Okay, so it said enter your blog title. So we enter our keyword right here. So we just scroll down and say create outline. Then all we have to do right now, just for us to click on continue, generate intro. So this AI will be writing all the content for us without us having to write anything. So we just say continue, generate. Okay. So this is amazing. So you can also do this one, generate. So the benefit of this AI tool is just that it helps you to create high quality content that you can be able to use to rank on Google. So all you need to do, just click the first link and you get access to this particular tool right now. Okay, so I think we are good and we are good with these ones we have created right now. All we need to do now is just to preview it. We preview and copy it because we don't have to download it. We are going to copy it. Then we go to our website right now in order for us to make use of this particular content to see how we can be able to use it to rank. So let's go to our website. So see the website. I've already come here. So let me just show you how you can be able to, in case you don't know how to create a post for the first time, let me show you how you can be able to create a post. So once you come to your website at the back end, all you need to do is just go to the post. Let me go back to the dashboard so that it will be easier for you to notice. Okay, so once you come to the post, you can see all posts, you can see add new post, you can see category, then you see tag. So all we need to do is click on add new post. Click on add new post. Okay, so after clicking on add new post, it will tell you to add a title. Remember, our title is the keyword that we search for. Don't use any other title apart from the keyword that you already know that people are searching for. So we are going to use it as a title. I think the keyword is how to make money online. So we are going to bring the content that we copied to this place. Now we are going to paste the content. So we have pasted the content. So I think there is something else I have to do. Okay, let's just complete it here. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to make it to be as short as possible for us to be able to understand everything in this video. So what we are using to know if we are going to rank on search engine or not is a plugin called Used SEO. So the plugin is called Used SEO. So you can be able to get the plugin once you go to your website. Let me just show you right now how the plugin looks like. So if you want me to do a video regarding to this, just drop your comment at the comment section. Maybe saying that you need a video regarding to how to download and take you step by step how to download and also to use the plugin, the SEO plugin. So see how you can be able to get a plugin. Once you come to add new, go to plugins, add new. Then you search for used SEO. We have another one called rank mart, but I usually use this used because of how easy it is or how user friendly it is for anybody to use. So I just want to show you how the plugin looks like. Okay, so see the plugin. You can see they are telling me of updates because I've already installed it on my website. But see the second one, which is what? Rank Mart. You also use this one, you can use this one, but I prefer using used most times. And I know majority of people who are bloggers also use used for their SEO. So let's go back to what we are doing. So, okay. So we are going to ensure now that we are going to rank on this particular keywords. Remember, the keyword is how to make money online. So all we need to do now is first of all come to our focus keyword, add what you want to rank for. The focus keyword is the keyword that you want to rank for. So we say now how to make money online. Okay. So that's our focus keyword. So the next thing we have to do, so let me just show you how I can, because definitely as someone that I've been into the system, I cannot be able to do this without even checking the SEO analysis, but I will just show you for you to know how you can be able to know whether you're doing the right thing or you're not doing the right thing. So all you need to do is just come down to this bottom part of this website or your website, just click on this SEO analysis so you can be able to see everything. Let's just click on it right now. Then they will tell us what we have to add in order for us to rank. It said add bond link, internal link, meta description, a keyword in subheading, an image keyword. So, but we have been able to get 8 out of all this. So we are going to see the way we are going to do this. It said what? Add bond link, internal link, meta length, and the So let me try to get this done now. So first of all, let me add internal link. So the internal link is the link that goes from inside your website. So let's add internal link to this particular website. Let's add internal link. Let me add home. Okay, so let me just copy this link and add it. So let me add this link here. Copy, click on link, paste, then add, submit. So I've added internal link. So let me add external link. I copy the link to this website. Copy. Then I'll go back to my website. And I'm going to give this is external link. External link. Let me give it the external link. I'll paste, submit. So what else do I have to do? I have to add an image to this website, to this blog. So we are going to add image right now. We click on add. Then we search for image, we add image. Then we can either upload or let's upload. So let's add this image. Then we open. So our alternative test will be how to make money online. So we have added the alternative test, which is how to make money online. So the description also, we have added it. So the next thing we have to do in order for us to ensure that this is going to rank on Google as the number one is for us to add a meta description. Let's add a meta description to this particular website content. So this log should also be how to make money online. So everywhere we'll ensure that our keyword appears everywhere in order for us to ensure that we rank. So it will be how to make money online. Okay, that's it. So let's scroll down. As you can see, we're already having it green. That means we have done a very nice job here. You can see I've done a very nice job. So let's add the meta description. Remember, in your meta description, the keyword should also appear in your meta description. So we say this is a step-by-step guide on how to make money online as a complete beginner. At the comfort of your home. So we have added our meta description. We have added our keywords. So it said well, keyword image phrase. Out of 5 images on this page, only one has alternative text. So let's look for the other ones that don't have. Okay, this one is not an image. Let's remove it. Let's look for other ones that they are seen as an image. This is not an image. So this is not an image. Okay, this one now they are still seeing it as an image. Right? It's not an image. So you can see now we have been able to have a good rating or a good analysis on this particular content. And to tell you for free, you can be able to rank on Google with this optimization we have done now. So if you have been looking for how to optimize your video or you have to optimize your content, your blog posts for SEO, this is the best way you can go about it, because this is the only way you can be able to do it to get the #1 ranking on Google as a complete beginner. I hope you have been able to learn something in this video. So all you need to do, follow the step-by-step guide, and I assure you, you are going to get get it very correct for yourself. So all you need to do now, just share this video and also subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye for now.